सस्ता है और काफ़ी टिकाऊ है. सो वाइट cupcake हूँ. Anybody can eat me. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel Alive Girl Garima, and this is your girl Garima, and today I'm gonna talk about my perfume collection and what kind of perfume I use. Kid, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment on it. So guys, I'm not a perfume expert. This review and this video is only of my personal experience. This is my personal choices, this is my personal experience. So no offense to the people जो बहुत expert हैं. I am not an expert, so don't take it personally. अच्छा perfume होना, एक long lasting perfume होना, long lasting भी ना हो पर एक perfume होना, a good perfume collection is must. Not imagine मैं अपने bed में भी perfume रखती हूँ. Before sleeping I spray mist or a perfume and then I sleep because I feel like कि यार सोते टाइम मतलब जब मैं सुबह उठूँ तो I should smell good. So I am little bit crazy, I know. I can't help it. So जो मेरे जितना crazy है for good smell, for good fragrance, you should watch this video for sure. My first perfume is from Zara. You can see the shiny sparkles inside it. Yeah, this is one of my favorite collection is from Zara. This is Zara Milano. About this perfume, the smell is not very fruity. This is a totally a flowery smell. This perfume is amazing. It is one of my favorite. So the people who like to have flowery smell, a fresh smell, so this perfume is for them. So go and check it out. This perfume is 1500 from Zara. So you can go to any Zara showroom and you can check it out and you can buy it, or you can buy it online also. Mist is one of my favorite for daily use. Yeah, for daily use, which is Layers Water Girl Mystic Island. Guys, this perfume, this mist is amazing for daily use. This mist is having a very fresh smell. ऐसा लगता है कि just अभी sea से निकल के आए हो, and very fresh वाला smell है इसका. So daily use के लिए this mist is very good. I think the price of this mist is not very high. I think it's $250. I don't really remember, but yeah, it's really it is in very good range and अच्छा it's not very expensive, so you can buy it in this range. $250 में अगर इतना अच्छा स्मेल का आपको परफ्यूम और मिस्ट मिल रहा है तो why not? But it's not very long lasting. It's only for 4-5 hours it will remain in your body, and again you have to apply. So that is all about this mist. So the next product is for those who love coconut fragrance, and this product is from Victoria's Secret Pink and Warm Cozy Body Mist. जिसको coconut fragrance बहुत पसंद है, this is for them. You can see the packaging, how cute it is, and आप बहुत easily अपने पर्स में या अपने bags में इसको रख सकते हो. It's very easy to carry. The most important and a good thing about it, and the smell is so coconutty. Yes, जिसको coconut smell पसंद है, this perfume is for them. So इसमें सिर्फ exact coconut ही नहीं है, थोड़ा flowery भी है, but coconut का fragrance ज़्यादा है इसमें. So you can wear it at the daytime. आप daytime आराम से for the office use, for the office work and for any meeting, for the short time you can apply it. But ये बहुत महंगा था तो मैं इसका यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. मैं इसको बचा के रखती हूँ for the special occasions. This mist was quite expensive. I really don't remember the price of it because I bought it in dollars when I went to Bali for my honeymoon. That time I bought it. So I don't know the price of this, but it was expensive. So the next perfume is from Skin Titan Celeste. So this perfume is for the people who like musky fragrances. And the price of this perfume was like 1900 and 2000. So it was not very less. It's not very less and very expensive. So you can buy. And the next mist is one of my favorites. This is from Bath and Body Works, 1000 Wishes Diamond Shimmer Mist. This mist is divine. I just love the smell of this mist. And you can see that the packaging is quite classy. एंड काफ़ी बड़ा है. सो मोस्टली मैं इसको घर में रखती हूँ यूज़ करने के लिए, या ऑफिस जाने से पहले लगा लेती हूँ कोई मीटिंग में. आई डोंट कैरी इन द बैग बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट बिग, या कोई रियली में कुछ है नहीं एंड देन तभी मैं इसको कैरी करती हूँ. इट इज़ अ शिमरी मिस्ट, सो you will apply, you can see the shimmer. Just check, just see it, shimmer in your body. So it's a shimmery a mist, so smell के साथ साथ आपकी body भी चमकेगी. Really good guys. 1000 Wishes from Bath and Body Works. Go and buy it if you like it. Price of this mist is 1600. You can get it in the offer also, because मैंने तो इसको offer में ही खरीदा था and I bought it only for $799. So the price is quite expensive, I know, but Bath and Body Works में हमेशा offers चलते रहते हैं, तो हमेशा you should keep a check on the website and the offers, and जब भी कोई अच्छा offer है just go and buy it. Mist is also from Bath and Body Works, which is warm vanilla sugar. Yeah, it is for those who love vanilla fragrance. Yes, ये totally जब भी ये मैं मिस्ट लगाती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं चलती फिरी कपकेक हूँ. Anybody can eat me, because I really want to eat me that time. Actually, this is totally a vanilla fragrance. पूरी इसकी फ्रेगनेंस वनीला. इट्स अ फ्लावरी एंड वनीला मिक्स, बट वनीला इसमें ज़्यादा है. So yeah, this is also a very good mist from Bath and Body Works. You should go and check it out. The price of this mist is 1295. That is approx 1300. Oh, because Bath and Body Works में अच्छे offers चलते रहते हैं. So just keep a check on it. So it's a really good product and good mist. So go and check it out. And the last perfume is from Envy Venetia. Yes, for women, Envy. This perfume is also very good for daily use. Yes, it's not very mild, it's not very heavy, it's in the middle, and it's good. It's a musky smell, so those people who like musky smell, you can buy it. It's really nice, and I think the price of this product was 230 or 240, something like that, 250. I don't really remember it, but it's not very high, and I bought it from Nykaa. So you can check it out in Nykaa and you can get it from there. But it's a really good perfume from in less range. So guys, this was all about my perfume collection. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment on it. I really want to know कि आपको किस तरह के वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं और आप किस तरह के वीडियोस देखना चाहते हो. I really need your feedback. I really need your comments on it, so that I will get an idea and I will make videos like that. And फिर से मैं जल्दी आऊँगी, and तब तक के लिए stay happy, stay alive, stay energetic, and stay positive. Bye.